What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, we got the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra on deck, and this is an update video, guys. I got the July security patch for the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Let's get into it. Okay, YouTube, so we got the July security patch. Let's just go ahead and take a look at what the July security patch is talking about. Now, as you can see, I applied this update on July 15th. This is the July 1 security patch. It's 454 megabytes. I haven't noticed much change as far as the security patch go, the way that the device is working and everything. Everything has been pretty smooth and spot on. My battery life has been good. I really don't have any complaints. But as you can see, they talk about device stability improvements, bug fixes, new or enhanced features, further improvements to performance. So definitely, if you're not updated, go ahead and get updated, because the most important thing about the security patch is keeping your device secure from hackers, malware, things of that nature. It can happen, but if you keep your device up to date, it is more protected. Now, with that being said, because the July security patch is not that big of a deal, for a couple months now, guys, I've been waiting for a camera update for this device. I've been complaining about post-processing and things of that nature when it comes to the camera on the S24 Ultra, and there's been rumored that a camera update is on the way that's going to really help this camera out as far as point and shoot and processing. I feel like that's what this camera needs help with. I like the video, honestly, that I get out of this camera, and I can take some good photos with this camera, but it's just like I have to also go back behind the device and do my own editing, which I don't like. I wish I got a better point and shoot photo or image out of this camera. So I was disappointed this month in July when we didn't get the camera update that's been rumored, but Samsung leaker Ice Universe over on X, formerly known as Twitter, shout out to him. He's actually saying that it's going to be the August update, which I feel a certain type of way about, because that's like 7 months of this device being out. You know, we're approaching Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra already. They got leaks and renders out for that device already, and we still haven't got this processing and this camera completely tightened up and dialed in on the S24 Ultra. Samsung, they really need to get it together. Maybe they need to bring in a camera company to help them with processing and how the device deals with images and processes photos and things of that nature, like some of these other smartphone manufacturers. But as you can see, shout out to my man Ice Universe again. He says the August update is going to be launched. The camera is going to get approved a lot with white balance optimization, HDR optimization, over processing optimization, overexposure optimization, face optimization, and video zoom optimization. Now, y'all know when I do my reviews on this device, I talk specifically about some of these things like the over processing and definitely the overexposure. That's one thing I have to do. When I take a picture with this device, I feel like I go straight to exposure and turn it down, because the device has got the exposure up too high, kind of blowing out the photo. So this is something I'm definitely looking forward to. Even though it's a month late, I wish we would have had the update right now, and I could have been taking pictures and sharing them with y'all and talking about what I think about the refresh camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. I guess that's a conversation that will have to happen next month, and I hope they really get the processing together by the S25 Ultra. When S25 Ultra drop, I want it to drop on point with the processing on point. Like I said, maybe Samsung needs some outside help. But yeah, the July security patch is out there. It doesn't have anything to do with the camera yet. Next month is supposed to be a big month for the camera. Hopefully we're not let down again, because I'm tired of being let down by Samsung when it comes to the camera software on this device. And it's supposed to be a fix, and it hasn't been there for a couple months. But it's your boy BG Tech Life. If you're watching, make sure you get subscribed. I appreciate you watching. I'm out. Peace.